What's up, world? Nashan back in the building, aka Frass, and welcome to One Destiny Media YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, wagwan. And I want to say Happy New Year to everybody out there. Yo, we made it through 2022, and it's 2023, and I hope everyone has a prosperous New Year. Definitely hope everyone gets to their goals that they achieve and that they've marked. And when we got that out the way, I just want to send a happy birthday shout out to vybz Kartel, World Boss. Happy birthday, happy Earth Strong. I hope you can enjoy your birthday the best you can during your current conditions. Free World Boss, we're ready for the appeal to turn the conviction over, but enjoy your Earth Strong. Hope your family and friends send lots of warm wishes to you and you enjoy. And so let's get into some of these stories. Are we kicking it off with Popcaan? Popcaan gave us a quick look at his new album cover for Great Is He. That's his name of his upcoming album. And he tapped into his inner Marcus Garvey self. So he's gearing up to have a strong 2023. And with the release on January 6th, Friday, which was yesterday, as of this recording, he released his lead single with hip-hop artist Drake with a single called We Can't Done. And I'm gonna give you a little snippet of it, cause you know YouTube don't want a copyright strike. But here, take a glimpse, and then you go over to the Popcaan YouTube channel and take in the song in full. I guarantee you, you're gonna like it. It's gonna be a summer smash already. We can't tell.
We can't done. We can't.
What do you think? Tell me in the comments what you think about the song. Do you like it? Are you feeling it? Do you think you was expecting something more? Do you think Drake was gonna have a verse of his own? I don't know. Tell me in the comments what you think. We're gonna keep moving. Alright. And Popcaan isn't alone. We're trying to start off on 2023 on a strong note. Famous blogger, the Carter family, you may know him from that, and or CMR review. CMR releases new EP on January 6th on all streaming platforms, so hit your DSP and support CMR. It's my boy right there. I had the pleasure of working with CMR on a movie project we did called Yardie Boys. Take out a quick behind the scenes clip. Yeah, that's my guy right there. So we're definitely going to support CMR and download the EP. Support new video from CMR called Sheseea. It's off of the active EP, which was released January 6th, 2023. And I like it. All 6 songs is a banger. He got the lead off video called Sheseea. I'm going to give you a quick snippet, and then you head over to his page, and then you can watch it in full. Download it on Apple Music, Spotify, all of your DSPs. You can download and support. That's my guy right there, friend of the channel, CMR's brand new EP, Active. So yeah.
She no want a man way on no chopper. She no want a fool or Harry Potter. Scare me turn the youth them in a shatter. Them nah no love them never burn the mother. So them get grimy just to make $1. Cheese they had no for attacking teeth. Instead man a big meat. To the youths me a preach. You want money we a pray. Money man a pray for the area.
So another trending story that was making its rounds this week. You know, when the year closes out, you're gonna get all these types of lists. So Rolling Stones released their top 200 singers all time, and it was kind of controversial. Everybody had their own opinion. They felt that certain people should have been placed higher or lower on the list, depending if you're a fan or, you know, I don't know, depending on if you like that person. But again, some people left off the list entirely, and some people were added that you wouldn't even think. But I know it was a hard task to shrink it down just to 200 worldwide. That was a good thing about this list. This list includes all different types of genres as well. It's all about vocals. And let's get into the article real quick before we go down the list. Article states, the Rolling Stone says, originality, influence, and depth of an artist's catalog were among the criteria used to determine the singer's list. Now we're gonna go down the list now. So Luciano was ranked 143, with the article citing songs such as Sweep Over My Soul and It's Me Again Jah as iconic reggae songs of the 90s. Barrington Levy was ranked 119. Rolling Stone described his voice as cutting, and commanding. Bob Marley was also listed at number 98 and was praised for reflecting the struggles and aspirations of tens of millions of people across the world. Toots Hibbert was ranked number 94, recognized for having a rough-edged, fierce voice. And Dennis Brown closed out the list for the reggae artist at number 67, being described as having a soulfulness that was unimpeachable. But how do you feel about the list? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to engage about this because I think they got it right. Barrington Levy, I think he could have been a little bit higher because vybz strong, and people are still sampling his voice, you know. Sorry, I'm not anywhere. Alright, but let's keep it moving. We're not gonna linger too much. Let's linger in the comments, let me know so we can talk more about it later. And in some other list news, well, it was revealed that dancehall artist Spice, she was YouTube's most streamed Jamaican female artist last year with 399 million views for the year. It's a great feat, to accomplish. So she still tapped in with her fans, so y'all still showing her love, so that was definitely great. And she showed love back on her Instagram page with a message saying, "I'm grateful to all of my besties. I love them so much. To be the most streamed female reggae dancehall artist last year is an amazing honor. Team Spice run the world." And this was a quote that she was given to Dancehall Mag. Shout out to Dancehall Mag. Full article will be listed in the description. You know, we gotta give kudos where credit and kudos where kudos is due. So let's keep it rolling. But at the same time, Spice was ranked number 5 overall with all Jamaican artists behind Sean Paul, who was number 1 with 1.2 billion views on YouTube. Bob Marley and the Wailers with 678 million. Shaggy with 522 million views. And vybz Kartel with 415 million views. We're not done talking about streaming still, because you know that's the way we tapping in with our artists. And guess who had the number 1 stream song in Jamaica? Controversial dancehall artist Jahshii. Jahshii get the number 1 most streamed song in Jamaica with Born Fighter. Was the number 1 artist that was streamed inside of Jamaica for the whole 2022 with Born Fighter. And then number 2 was Skeng and Tommy Lee's Sparta Protocol. 3, Skeng again with Stark Ashley Taliban Massacre with Suicide Note. 5, Skeng again Life Changes. 6, Squash with Sweepstakes Live. 7, Squash Ambala. 8, Intense New Year. 9, Burna Boy Last. And 10, Shano Dark Room. That was the top 10 most streamed songs in Jamaica for 2022 according to YouTube. And yeah, congratulations to all the artists, even though it looks like it was dominated by Skeng and Squash with multiple entries. And I know we got Valiant, who just closed out 2022 strong with multiple hits going viral. Don't worry yourself, Valiant soon stepping on the list for 2023 because it was just a small window, so the streaming numbers it wasn't going to be enough to move the needle enough to make this list. But shout out Valiant, it's all good. We're looking to see you at the end of 2023 on this list.
Don't shake it and come to make the skull upset. No, done sit. Back of the cracks, man, on a subject.
And with all the streaming numbers and accolades being revealed, everybody wants to beat their chest and let it be known where we stand, because hey, it's proud of their work and their accomplishments. You know, you gotta work hard to make these lists. It's a lot of competition out there, and Romesh is not one to be left behind by letting people know Shenseea's debut album was the best-selling dancehall album in the US for the 2022 with a total of 60,000 units. And you know how dancehall sales go, so that's still saying something. She did good. She outsold the pack. It's good. Big up yourself, Sheng Yang. Proud of you. Keep doing, keep crushing. And we're gonna keep it on Shenseea news because Shenseea also debuted a new tattoo. You know, she wanted to give her fans a little insider look of her, how it goes down. And we're gonna post a quick video. Check out the look. So when she got her new tattoo, she also got her nails done. Let's get a little video of her new styling on her tips. Ladies, let us know in the comments if that's the style you like, or you know, you think that's hot. Let me know. So we closing out short and sweet vlog for 2023, isn't it? We're just rounding up some of the numbers and listing some of the quick stories. We're just coming off a holiday break, so we're getting right back to work. More vlogs, more skits. Leave some comments. Let me know which part of the stories you like. Was your artist make the list, or who do you expect is going to be on the list for this year? Who's up and coming? Let me know anything that stuck out to you in this vlog, and I appreciate if you stuck to the end. I appreciate if you share. Look for us on the gram, One Destiny Media, Frost One Destiny, either one. I look forward to engaging with y'all, and thanks for hanging out. Until next time, peace, nigga.
One Destiny.